it's Molly the mixologist from Total Wine here with you again with my buddy
Antonio Rodriguez,
master distiller with Weber Ranch. And I wanted to ask you today, what is vodka that's made from agave? What does that mean?
well, that's right here. Is Weber Ranch is 100% Blue Weber agave-based vodka, and that brings a lot of questions out there. When you say, yeah, it's a vodka made from agave, like you get the weird eye, like why?
Right.
Agave, that's tequila. Why is not a tequila? How makes it a vodka? So it's super simple. At the end of the day, we use 100% agave. We crush, ferment, and distill at Jalisco, and then we take that agave distillate. It's an agave distillate, and distill it all the way to 190 proof, and that's when you turn that into a vodka. So basically, vodka can be made out of any ingredient, and we just choose the agave because we love the agave, the complexity, the flavors that you can get, and by distill super slow, 100% in copper, we're able to keep part of that flavor and make a flavorful vodka, super good mouthfeel, super flexible for cocktails.
Cheers. Oh, it's so silky.
Silky. I mean, I like how this, I always say like a velvety mouthfeel.
Yeah,
which
really.
is this silkiness, this velvety mouthfeel. It's coming from the copper. Our system is a copper pot and a copper column steel. We spend 26 to 28 hours per batch. So it's super, super slow. We keep all the elements of the agave still here. And that's part of the misconception. Some people say like, hey, vodka is neutral spirit. So it's kind of a waste of agave if you turn it into a vodka. This is our way to prove that it's not.
It's just a little bit more approachable. Maybe if you're somebody who Blanco tequila is a little too intense for you, this is perfect. If you're looking for something a little lighter on a really hot day and you want just a smooth, easy drinking, this is great. Yeah, it really kind of runs the gamut there for needs.
It's basically a bridge between both worlds.
I love it. Well, cheers. Thank you so much.
Cheers. Thanks for having me.
Till next time.